Can IKEA inspire innovation? It sure can. Hey, it's Leo, your innovation coach, and today I want to talk about why IKEA inspires innovation. Last week I was at IKEA and I was returning something, and afterwards I decided to wander around. And my wife was with me, so we started wandering around, and at one point of our journey, I mentioned to her, I really like wandering around IKEA. And I started to think about the why. So I thought about it for a second, and then I said, it's because when I'm in IKEA, it inspires possibility. My imagination is going wild because IKEA is, in my book, a place with everything you could possibly ever need for your home and to decorate your home. If you want new lighting, you want new cabinetry, new shelving units, lighting, art, anything you could think of, it's there. And the possibilities and combinations of there are endless. So you're basically wandering around each of the different rooms, imagining a new possible future for that space. And so it's really powerful actually when you think about this from a mindset perspective. When you're in a space and you feel like anything is possible and you're playing around with combinations in your mind, you're playing around with what could be, it really sets you up for success to think differently. So that's why I really like IKEA, because that's a place for me that does that. It's also the same when I go outside and I'm looking at the clouds. When I look at the clouds, I think there's limitless possibilities because the sky is vast. It goes on forever. Or when I stand in front of water, a big water spot like an ocean or at a lake, it just keeps on continuing. And so when I look at these things, my brain is inspired that I could create anything. I could do anything. And this is really important when it comes to innovating and coming to thinking about things differently. Do you find yourself in an environment where your imagination and your ability to think about new possibilities, is it increasing? Or is the environment that you find yourself in stifling that? So I want you to think about this today. How could you apply this in your life? Could you go wander around in IKEA and allow the possibilities of your home decoration to be unleashed? Give yourself that gift of surrounding yourself in a creative environment that stimulates innovative thinking. I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you found it helpful, give it a like, comment, or share it with a friend. And until next time, stay innovative, my friends. Stay innovative.